For all of you who have never been to our warehouse, this is Paradise, and I'm going to show you our warehouse. We have lots of small wares, aisle by aisle, pans, dishes, fry pans, catering supplies, equipment, sinks, gas hoses, refrigeration, slicers, bain-maries, paninis, sheet pan racks. We have beer equipment, grills, janitorial, display cases. We have walk-ins. We have lots of specials going on here. If you see all the tags, racks, that's our cleaning section. And in our used warehouse portion, we have everything on display. Glass door, refrigerators, stainless steel tables, counter equipment, mixers, pizza ovens, all kinds of chafers, smokers, brick ovens, this thing, more pizza ovens. Come to Restaurant Equipment Paradise, 465 Park Avenue, East Hartford. Get deals at our auction or in our warehouse, new or used, full project design, nationwide. Order anything from any manufacturer. Vulcan, Blodgett, Amana, Dormont, Hashizaki, Champion, lots of dishwashers. We have everything. See you soon.